Okay, we're going for 6th question. Already we goes for 5th question as an example how you can create snapshot with the command line. And now just I want to go through for the 6th question. Yeah, actually how you can use the esxtop to monitor that some resource usage here. And there's an instruction also, and you have to use that esxtop for that purposes. Okay, so first of all, make sure there's a proper folder or what you want is here inside that uh, data store, because you have to save that export on data store. So the temp folder is here, TMP. If it's not here and they ask you, you have to create that. So first of all, and I run that putty SSH to, for example, esxi1, maximize that. I clear the screen and say esxtop, blah, blah, blah. What? First of all, let me clear that again. First of all, you need to know the exact path of the temp folder on a data store. And for a reason, my suggestion is somehow say cd vmfs volumes and list. Yes, I want to save that on region A01 iscsi01 comp01, and again ls, and there is also folder called tmp, and again ls, that's empty, it's okay. Just I copy the path, yep, and I simply back to the root and use that esxtop, esxtop like that, and I have to remove the double column here because that's not necessary. And after the TMP, you have to put that file name, which is they ask you inside that question. I don't know. I said, for example, esx01 monitor.csv. Hit enter. And if nothing happened after you hit the enter button, it means that command runs perfectly correct, and just let it run for a while, like, I don't know, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 minute. If you have time, let it run like a 1 minute or more. And when you want to stop that process, like the other processing, you can say or hit that Control C, and that backs to the root again. So first of all, you have to make sure that file is here inside the temp folder. I goes again to that path, which is I copied already, and ls, yep, that file is here. And if I want to make sure exactly that file contains some data regarding, I don't know, some usage or what happened regarding that resources on that ESXi host, you can use that vi command and simply put the ESXi name there in the end and hit enter. And as you can see, so there is lots of data inside that, and simply you can say escape. It's okay. You can say here escape and jump out from that mode for viewing that content, and that's easy. I hope you enjoy that, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click on bell and turn on the notification for new videos, and put your comments below if you need the new training or new video which is you want, and I try to do that for you, you know. And if you have some questions, simply put it on a comment below, and actually I try to answer that question, you know, as soon as possible. Stay with me.